Here's another going to be a set of videos of audio that Ruth Cannon and Eleanor Carmody of the LSRA are trying to block in Ireland, so Irish people don't see it. You can see the screenshot. You'll find it on Odyssey. Everyone says it right. Tomato. I don't really know. Odyssey. It'll be there. The link is in the description. Literally, if a barrister was beyond reproach, they wouldn't keep trying to hide this stuff, especially the stuff about their very clearly documented homophobia, queerphobia, because Ruth Cannon is, through all the comments, all here, pointedly misgendering and pointedly dead naming, because she's a sad, pathetic bigot, rather like Eleanor Carmody. But I'll explain in detail how I know that about Eleanor Carmody and the LSRA shortly. However, as you can see from the screenshot, this is another of the videos that Ruth Cannon is trying to block in Ireland. Sad, lonely, pathetic, Riviata diet, obsessed, malevolent freak. That's not defamation. That's I'm pretty sure Eleanor and Ruth, but particularly since that was directed at Ruth, I'm pretty sure I can prove in a court that you're a freak, because only a freak would do these things. I mean, like, this is kind of funny because, like, Ruth Cannon's arguing defamation on a video about her homophobia and bigotry, while clearly displaying her queer, transphobia, homophobia and bigotry by pointedly misgendering and dead naming me. You can't get much more paradoxical and self-incriminating. But like, I mean, I think on this short journey we haven't come to expect much from this bumbling, malevolent buffoon. I mean, I can't wait to tell you all about the things that were said about her testimony in the district court by her own professional peers, but there we go. This is, you can't, it can't be defamation if the thing is true, Ruth Cannon and Eleanor Carmody. And since I have Eleanor Carmody's bigotry in professional correspondence, and I have Ruth Cannon's bigotry on complete display as she dead names and misgenders, because Ruth Cannon thinks if she continues to do that, she'll get some sort of PTSD reaction, where I have crossed the boundary in PTSD crisis. I don't think fury could get any colder. So, yeah, like, enjoy the screenshot of the Ruth's further fraudulent abuse of YouTube takedowns, which will eventually, in time, result in a court case with YouTube, which will again put Ruth at liability since she signed, or since she technically signed a contract with YouTube saying she wouldn't lie to them while abusing their legal takedown methods. So currently, Ruth Cannon is engaged in a complex fraud with a giant global internet company because, like, clearly in the DAR of Ruth's sworn testimony, she makes a half-hearted, snide attempt to recognize my non-binary status. So Ruth Cannon knows what my pronouns are and my gender identity is. And Ruth Cannon knows what my real legal name is. And this is, I mean, considering that this now, if Ruth didn't know, this has an LSRA case number. So we can say that Ruth Cannon trying to suppress these videos. And since we have useful moron or useful idiot Andrew Bradley from the law library trying to pull copyright takedowns for the Law Society of Bar Council stuff to help Ruth Cannon, we can say that this fraud is sanctioned by the Bar Council, the Law Library, and it would appear the LSRA, as you'd think they would have at least told Ruth Cannon to stop, because it's so clearly fraud, considering she is everywhere in YouTube comments, purposefully misgendering, purposefully deadnaming, in an effort to get attention. I mean, imagine how lonely and pathetic your existence would have to be to try and get attention like this. But maybe that's just Irish law. Maybe this is the only way you guys get to let some steam off, which is abuse vulnerable people. I don't know. But yeah, this is the Law Society, Bar Council, and LSRA sanctioned and enabled fraud to hide bigotry and intolerance and hatred and transphobia, brought to you by Ruth Cannon and a clearly complicit Eleanor Carmody.